Hello friends! Today we are reviewing one of the arguably the best handbag there is right now, aka my favorite handbag that I owned right now. Today I am reviewing the one, the only Miss Bottega Veneta Andiamo bag. I'm so excited. I have been wanting this bag for so long and this specific color, so let's not waste any time. Let me bring this beauty out. Drum roll, please. Look at her. Look at her. Isn't she wonderful? Since I have you here, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot, so please subscribe to my channel for more fashion content. I have been wanting this beauty for a long time, and this is my first ever Bottega bag. So I will now be going by Miss Bottega. So I don't know if you guys have watched my in-depth fashion reviews before. I will be going over the price, the in-depth details, the sizing, and style. Be sure to stick around for the end of the video, and I will be giving you some more fashion looks of my next and upcoming video. So the most important part and the most damaging part. This bag right here is listed for $4,700 US. Yes, this bag is a pricier bag, but this is also one of Bottega's most iconic bags. So I've had my eye on this bag for a while. I kind of had to sit on it, think about it, and I was really wanting it this past fall because I feel like last fall too, the color of the fall was burgundy, and I just think this is a beautiful color. This burgundy, I believe they call it Barolo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, so please excuse me. That is the price of this bag. I've been wanting it so bad for so long, and I'm so excited. She's beautiful. She's perfect. So let's get into this detail, and as you know, if you've been watching for a while, I also show a up close and personal view of the bag, so I'll get an up close shot in a minute. One thing that I like about, or one of the many things I like about Bottega, is how they do their print on their bags. So if you know, this is their signature woven print. I can't pronounce what they call it, but I will put it up on the screen so you can see. It is lambskin. I was kind of worried about the durability, but we'll see. I heard that their lambskin is more durable than Chanel's lambskin. I don't know. I feel like Chanel's lambskin has been, the durability, I feel like it's changed. It doesn't last as long as what it used to, or I'm not sure. But so I was worried about that. I'll give you an update in the comments, but this is lambskin. This hardware piece right here, it is brass, so that's nice. It's a little pretty little piece. Their signature iconic sign right here. If you know, you know. Most people know Bottega's sign. I guess I will say most fashion people know Bottega's sign. Others maybe not so much. This is all leather, even on the inside. Let's open this baby up. And this is the small Andiamo. They also have a medium and large. The small comes in so many more colors than the medium. I originally wanted this in medium, but at the time they did not have it. I'm not sure if they were going to or when they were going to, but the small has a ton of colors. I even love the smell of new leather. But look inside. It's all leather, even the lining. It has like a pouch inside that you can remove, I believe. And within the pouch, it has a zipper and a pocket. And you can fit quite a bit in here, like sunglasses, keys, lip combos. You can fit a good amount of stuff in here. It has a magnetic closure, so you just, and it snaps right there. Magnetically it closes, and it says Bottega Veneta, made in Italy. This is so beautiful. Some of Bottega's bags, like I guess they're more iconic or classic bags, they have what is called a Bottega Forever. And that's kind of like a lifetime warranty. So let's say, they gave me an example, someone's dog like chewed up their strap and they for free at no cost. So not all of their bags are eligible, but this one is, so that's something to consider too when you are debating between two bags. And let's talk about styling / ways to wear. So you can wear this bag many different ways. The first way we'll say is a top handle. So you could easily just use this as a top handle bag, lift and go. You can also use it as a shoulder bag. You just grab this and there you go, you got it on your shoulder. And then also you have you can use it kind of, this is another way to wear it. You can wear it like as a shoulder, a longer shoulder or crossbody. I haven't worn it crossbody like this before yet. I guess it's more secure, so I should try that. And then back to the top handle. Maybe we can tuck this in. Little piece. So top handle. This brass piece is hardware right here. You can take it, okay, well, I don't know how to do it right now, but this can come on and off. I've even seen some people like use it as a belt, so that is neat. But overall, this is my favorite bag that I have right now. I am so in love with her. I love her so much. And now that you've had an in-depth review of this bag, and if you're thinking about it, yes, this is your sign. This is your sign to go ahead and get the Bottega Andiamo bag. And also, if you want to see another one of my favorite iconic bags that I have, I've already done a full in-depth review of this beautiful bag. I love the color. I rock it mostly in the fall, but I can wear it year-round. So if you want to see another in-depth review of an iconic bag from another designer, please click right here and you can watch that video. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I have a ton of fashion secrets and fashion content that you do not want to miss. Thanks guys, bye.